Welcome to this tutorial on OSPF timers. Today we will be discussing OSPF propagation timers, OSPF throttling timers, OSPF delay timers, and OSPF flooding timers. Let's start with OSPF propagation timers. These timers control how quickly routing information is propagated throughout the OSPF network. Understanding and configuring these timers is crucial for optimizing network performance and stability. Next, we have OSPF throttling timers. Throttling timers are essential for regulating the rate at which OSPF updates are sent. Properly setting these timers can help prevent network congestion and ensure efficient utilization of network resources. Moving on to OSPF delay timers. These timers determine the delay before OSPF reconverges after a topology change. Configuring delay timers accurately is vital for minimizing network downtime and ensuring rapid convergence in the event of a network change. Finally, we will cover OSPF flooding timers. Flooding timers control how long OSPF routers retain and flood routing information. Understanding and fine-tuning these timers is crucial for maintaining a healthy OSPF network and preventing unnecessary flooding of routing updates. To learn more about OSPF and network optimization, visit our website at www.BataNetworks.com. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more insightful tutorials.
Don't miss out. Smash that subscribe button and hit like to keep up with our awesome content.